again. Got a new toy. Got the Solo by 3D Robotics. It's a drone to mainly used for video. Put my GoPro in it and get some pretty sweet shots. It's got a controller, and you just use a phone or a tablet or something to see where you're going through the camera. So yeah, let's open this thing up. Trying to be nice to the box. There we go. And this was a lightning deal that I got on Amazon. And it comes with a backpack to put the drone in and the controller. And it comes with a stabilizing gimbal already installed on it, a battery, and 8 propellers. So 4 and then an extra set. It does not come with the GoPro. You have to buy that separately. I mean, I already had one though. So it looks like it's already packaged in the backpack there. The box is empty. So this has little rubber feet on it. I guess that's pretty cool. Keep it from sliding. Has this paper thing to keep the straps together, I guess. So let's find a zipper and open this thing. There we go. So it looks like it comes with a little cover here. And it's got a setup guide attached. Multiple languages. So I guess it just tells you how to attach the GoPro and the battery and the propellers, and to go get the app. That's what controls it through the controller and your phone. So that's cool. So obviously the main part. Got the drone here, and here's the gimbal. It's got these little foam blocks on here, I guess to protect the gimbal. Let's see here. Remove before flight. Yep, thanks. There we go. Cool, so that's just to keep it stable because it moves all different angles. Got a little plastic piece holding the battery on. Looks like here's the battery. It's a 5200 milliamp hour, 14.8 volts. Little protector, I guess, so it doesn't connect. But yeah, all you do is just put it down like that, and then it clicks in, slides in, press it, press the button there, slide it out. Cool. This little box. Sunshade and balance weights for the gimbal. So it comes with those. That's pretty cool. I think the GoPro 4 Silver, you have to use these because it has the LCD on the back. The GoPro 4 Black, you don't have to use these. It just makes it so that it's nice and smooth when you're flying. Controller charger. Go. So the controller uses a rechargeable battery. I believe they sell battery extenders for that as well. This looks like the Solo charger. Yeah, this charges the battery for the actual drone. So it's got a little proprietary connector there. And then of course that's This plug plugs into the wall. Let's see. We got our props here. Looks like we've got silver props and black props. And if you look at the drone, it's got black, silver markings. Black, silver. It's because each one spins a different way to keep the drone balanced. So you have two separate sets. I believe there's probably 4 each in here. And then down here looks like the controller. It's a nice sturdy, nice foam block there to keep everything nice and protected. Let's take this thing out of here. Looks like it's velcroed in there. Man, thing's in there. So here's the controller. It's got a protective film on it. This little sticker that tells you what each button does, apparently. I don't know if it's supposed to stay on or not. It doesn't look like it. But for beginners, until you can learn what the each button is made for. Yeah, there you go. And I guess it's got some camera angle presets. And then your phone or your tablet fits in here. I guess like this. Boom. And I guess a tablet you would turn like this and hold it in like that because it's much longer. It's also can move back here apparently. Got your 2 antennas here for the signal, which brings me to the aftermarket stuff that I got. I actually purchased these on Amazon as well. I'll put all the links in the description below if you guys are interested. The links are associated to my channel and they help me make videos like this. So if you guys want to buy anything off Amazon, I'd appreciate it if you use my link. So these are like panel type antennas that's supposed to extend the range by almost double, but these are kind of like a cone signal where these are like a much narrower beam. But yeah, this is basically all they are right here. They look like that. And they screw on. So that's pretty cool. For now I'm just going to keep the stock ones. I don't plan on flying super far away anytime soon. I also have some leg extensions because I don't know if you can tell, but when the GoPro is in there, it's pretty close to the bottom of where the legs sit. So like when you land, if it's not completely even surface, it could, hit the camera or whatever. So these extensions go on there and raise it up a little bit. Also got these kind of cool little knobs. They're silicone. They fit on over the controller here and allow you to use your thumb a little bit easier. So that's kind of cool. Obviously, I don't need any of this type stuff, but I thought it was kind of cool. I kind of go a little overboard sometimes when I buy stuff. I don't know if you've noticed that on my channel yet or not, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I bought an extra battery, so I have 2 batteries. Heard the flight time is anywhere from 13 minutes to 20 minutes depending on how aggressive you fly and stuff. So anyway, that's my unboxing of the Well, let's see what's in here. Anything in this pocket? Some paperwork. Ah, some stickers and some documentation. Anything up in this? No. Guess that's it. Or you put your extra batteries right here. That's kind of cool. Awesome. So yeah, that's pretty much my unboxing of the 3D Robotics Solo drone. Hopefully I'll be able to go out and use it to get some pretty cool shots of the car, or just whatever to include in my videos. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment down below. If you guys have used these before, tell me if you know any like cool tips or tricks or whatever of getting some good shots. I heard there's a follow me mode, so I may be brave enough to try that. Hop in my car and have it follow me. Obviously it'd be on like a closed parking lot or something like that. It wouldn't be on a road. But anyway, as always, thanks for watching. See you next time. See ya. No more twin turbos. It's got a single turbo conversion. It's a Precision 6266